Welcome. This is a 15-minute low-impact step aerobics workout. If you don't have a step, just step forward instead of up. Let's begin marching. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, release them back down. Get ready to step to the left, back to center, and then to the right in 3, 2, 1. To the left. Let's begin marching. Inhale, arms reach up high. And we'll heel tap, left foot leads.
Can you hear me calling out your name? You know that I'm falling and I don't know what to say. Oh, come along, baby, we better make a start. You better make it soon before you break my heart.
Back to marching.
I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with
Left basic. Up, up, down, down.
I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere.
Left foot V-step. Let's march. Feel free to play with the arms.
Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. And the days
And right basic.
like strand in the wind, in the web that is blown. I begin again. Said to my friend, baby, nothing else mattered. He was no more than a baby then. Well, he seemed broken-hearted. Something within him. But the moment
Right foot V-step.
I first lay eyes on you, all alone on the edge of 17. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing.
Back to marching.
Well, I went today, maybe I will go again tomorrow. Yeah, well, the music there, well, it was hauntingly familiar. When I see you do it, when I try to do for me, with their words on it, poetry, voice on it, fire and a melody. Nothing else matters.
Left basic.
Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. The clouds never expected when it rains.
And we'll kick, right foot leads.
Changes color, but the sea does not change.
Option to add in the arms.
With the slow, graceful flow of age, I went forth with an age-old desire to please on the edge of 7.
Back to marching. Left basic. Up, up, down, down.
Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Just
Knee lift, corner to corner.
dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Well, then suddenly there was no one left standing in the hall. Yeah, and it's all up to you. There's no one really ever heard before at all. Well, I went
Great, we'll march it out.
upstairs down the hall, and not to find an answer, just to hear the call of a night bird.
Right basic.
Come away, come away, come away. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, yeah, ooh. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, yeah, ooh. Well, I hear you in the morning, and I hear you at nightfall.
Knee lift, corner to corner. Option to add in the arms. Have fun here.
To be able to feel you, my love. I'm a few years older than you. I'm a few years older than you. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing.
Back to marching.
So I'm back to the velvet underground, back to the floor that I love,
Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms down.
with some lace and paper flowers, back to the gypsy that I was, to the gypsy.
Left basic. Up, up, down, down. Leg curl.
And it all comes
Add in the arms if that feels okay.
where you know that it does when lightning strikes.
March it out.
You see your gypsy.
Right basic.
To the gypsy that remains, faces freedom with a little fear. I have no fear, have only love, and if
Leg curl. And we'll come back to marching. Option to play with the arms. Catch your breath, fill the lungs. We'll slow it down now. We'll begin to heel tap. Step out to the side, maybe add a little sway in the arms. We'll stand tall, feet apart, nice and wide. Draw a big circle with the hips or gently sway side to side here, whatever feels best. Going opposite direction. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch to the right, like a banana. Inhale back up. Exhale to the left. And we'll release. Inhale, the hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. You did it. You made it. A little goes a long way. Thank you so much for joining.